Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business ad creative using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place my ad image on the canvas. First step, duplicate the layer. Safety first in business design. I apply Posterize and slowly adjust levels while observing how shapes form. I pause intentionally because ads need emotional control. I stop when the subject feels bold but readable. I mask areas where clarity matters, especially faces and products. I zoom into clean edges and reduce noise. I slightly adjust brightness so the Posterize effect doesn't overpower the business message. I add text and position